गंज बख्शे फैज़ आलम मज़हरे नूरे खुदा नाक़िसारा पीर कामिलारा रहनुमा।
हज़रत दादा गंज बख्श अली हजवेरी rahmatullahi ta'ala alayhi said, "It is a compulsory matter upon every individual that he should engage in the pursuit of the knowledge of the commandments of Almighty Allah Azza wa Jal and the special knowledge of His recognition. Everybody has been obliged to learn obligatory knowledge according to the time and the situation that he is experiencing. It is an obligatory matter to pursue such knowledge, whether it is of an apparent nature or beyond one's vision."
सल्लू अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु तआला अला मुहम्मद। मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है इंशाअल्लाह अज़्ज़ा वजल।